in the universe, that is positive charge and another is negative charge. Okay, but what do you mean by positive charge and what do you mean by negative charge? If I have an object, suppose this is something object, okay, I say that the charge on this object is 1 coulomb, positive charge, and I have this is object A, this is object B, and this object B has a charge, negative charge, okay, positive 1 coulomb, and the charge on this is negative 2 coulomb. So what do you mean by positive charge particle, atom, positive charge object or substance, and negatively charged object or substance? What do you mean? What is the difference this? Yes, people. Nice. क्या बात है?
Number
Yes,
of
people.
protons will be greater
Yeah.
than positive.
Yes, yes. Anyone left? No one left. Okay. So see here how a positively charged particle object and negatively charged object is created. Okay. See here. So this is your object. So suppose this is your what? This is your iron piece. Okay. This is a small piece of iron, suppose. What is the inside this piece? What is the inside this piece? Tell me. I told you do interact. You interact more, you will get the concepts more, you will study more. And that what your parents want to do. Okay. So tell me what is inside the iron piece? What is these small spheres? What are these spheres? Tell me.
Atom.
Atoms. What is inside atoms? Sumuk, Chirag.
Electrons.
Electrons. Only electrons?
Protons and neutrons.
Protons and neutrons. Okay. So we will draw one big atom here. So this is your nucleus inside, and these are the cells, right now? In the cells, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. This is the basic structure, right? For the 12th, when you go to the BSc and MSc, this structure changes according to your knowledge. So this is the basic structure of the atom. In the nucleus, what are the particles involved? Proton and neutron, right? And these are the electrons revolving around the nucleus. Now suppose let us say this is your carbon atom. For a simplicity, we will take a carbon piece here. Okay, this is a carbon piece. So what is the atomic number of carbon?
6.
6, right? So these are. So what do you mean by 6? Atomic number is 6 means what is number of this?
Number of electrons 6.
Number of electrons are 6 here. Okay, so these are 6 electrons here. Okay, so I want to draw this one. There are only 6 electrons. So 6 electrons means this is a negative atom, negative particle. Negative atom, this is negative, right? It is negative or neutral? It is negative or neutral, tell me. This atom is negative or neutral. These are 6 electrons here. People, I told you many times, do interact. Or there will be a call from management team to your parents. So this is negative or positive? Tell me.
Neutral, sir.
Why? Why it is neutral?
Because the nucleus balances it. So
Nucleus has positive charge. Okay, 6 protons are here. Okay, positive charge, and here are 6 electrons, negative. Okay, so total charge of any atom is what? Positive charge in it plus negative charge in it. Okay, so you will find for any negative here, for any neutral atom, there are same number of electrons and same number of protons. You got this? So for neutral carbon atom has 6 electrons and 6 protons. Now tell me, what is the amount of positive charge and what is the amount of negative charge in the neutral atom, neutral carbon atom? What is the amount of positive charge? What is the amount of negative charge? Hello? So you got it. How it is difficult to teach you?
9.6 into 10 power minus 90.
Yes, correct. So only one people is answering. 9.6. Why it is what? 6
Minus
is
9.6.
6 into, it is minus. Yeah, 6 into minus 1.6.
Yes.
10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So this is what? Minus 9.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. You got this? Everybody
Sir.
got this? Same amount of the positive charge will be there, right? 6 into charge on one proton is what? 1.6 into positive only, okay? 19 coulomb. So it will be 9.6 into 10 raised to 19 coulomb. So when you add these two charges, you will get 0 here. So total charge on the atom will be what? 0. And that's why it is called neutral atom. It is neutral. It does not mean it does not have any charge. Okay, it has the charge, but the positive charge in it and the negative charge in it are same. Okay, so total addition of this is your 0. So everybody got this now. What is neutral atom? Now we will come to the quantization. Now see here. When you remove one electron, what happens? When you remove the one electron from this, so how many electrons are there? How many electrons are there? Please tell me.
5, sir.
5 electrons. So what is the amount of charge? So what is the amount of charge?
8 into 10 power minus 90. Minus 80.
Okay. So when you add these two charges, so what is the total charge in the new atom? So what is the total charge of the atom? You just have to add this. Chirag, Sumukh, are you guys there? You haven't answered any one question.
17 points.
Sorry? What is it? See here, negative charge is this much, which this is the negative amount of charge, negative, and this is your positive charge. So what is the total charge?
One 1.6
Positive, negative?
positive, sir.
Yes. So it is a neutral atom then? It is a neutral atom. Is it neutral or not? Tell me. It is not neutral. Okay.
Not, sir.
This is not neutral atom now. So you got, this is the positively charged atom. This is a positively charged atom. Okay. So if there are now suppose 10 to the power 23 atoms are there and you withdraw one electron from each atom. So what is the charge?
Positives.
So you have to multiply this by 10 to the power 23, right? Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power. This is the amount of the charge on this ion piece. All of you got this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this becomes a positively charged piece or positively charged body. Positively charged object. So to make the positive charge, what you did, you withdraw the electrons. So to make the negatively charged particle or body or atom, what you will do? You will extra electrons you will put in this atom, right? So initially there were 6 electrons. So when you introduce one electron, okay, or you put extra electron in this atom, so how many electrons are there in now?
7.
Sorry,
7.
7 electrons. So what is the charge, negative charge on the atom?
Minus 11.2.
Minus
11.2, sir.
11.2. So what is the total charge on this atom now? Total. So tell me, what is the total charge?
Minus 1.6.
Minus 1.6. Very good. Very good. So it is minus 1.6. So you got, now it becomes a negatively charged body now. Okay. So if you add one electron to each atom, okay, so you have to multiply by how many atoms are there? 10 to the power 23. You add one electron. So you are adding this amount of charge on one atom. Okay. So total charge you add on this object is what? 1.6 into 10 to the power 4 coulomb. So this is minus. Okay. So it will become now negatively charged object. All of you got this?